how to get them edges.
Watch it. Angarat. Triangarat. Yeah.
How to get them edges, right? So you can see the ponytail here, the finishing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that edge, yes, on fleek, your edges on fleek. You're new to the channel. My name is Nisha. Also, my friends call me Jazzy, yeah. So you can use the edge control that it works best for you, and you're returning. Big up yourself. This is a short video, so let's get straight into it. So you can see there I'm using it will not take you a minute to do this, but if it does, go on do your thing now. Practice becomes perfect. You just want to do a finger motion. You want to use your thumb, both thumbs, of course, and your index finger and your middle finger, and just do the word. Just follow the wave. You're making a wave, right? Once you make the base of this hair doodle, the catching up and the edges, you can pretty much change your ponytail. You can take off the long one, put on a short one, put it a nappy one, put on a straight one, put on a kinky one, put on one with color the weekend, take off that. You understand me? See, it's flexible. It can, as you will see, I never want to talk all through the video, but girl, I tried our thing. So you see I have the pump up spray. Yes guys, I tell you it's my go-to when I'm doing this baby hair, especially if the client wanted to stay for a week. I always advise them though to shampoo the hair, put in some leave-in, put in them ear treatment and stuff, the ear growth and thing. Look at this other ponytail.
Yeah. And this girl go school for. Watch it. Angarat. Triangarat. Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.